What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install a sway bar link on a 2004 2500 Chevy. This is a Duramax. The first thing that I do, which makes this really easy, is I just take a Tahoe, so a cutting wheel, and I just cut off the actual link itself. This one needs a little bit more cutting. There we go, I believe that's good. And the easiest way to do this is just take a hammer, break it off. Your old sway link will fall out, and then you can just knock that all out. So that is the easiest way to replace these. Now you can just go ahead and unbolt this and slide this in. These are a 15 millimeter, and they'll drop in from this side, drop it down, and then come underneath. So that's the easiest way to do it. I don't fight the old ones taking them out, I just cut them off. Okay guys, we're gonna show you how to drop in this new sway bar link. First you're gonna start with your stud and your bolt, which go to the top, and then a base plate and a bushing. And you're gonna come in and slide that in from the top. Then you're gonna take another bushing and a base plate and slide that in. And then you're gonna take your sleeve, slide that up. And then you're gonna take another bushing plate and another bushing and slide that up. Now what you're going to notice is there's not enough distance here to slide this in. So I'm going to take this off. We're going to position this so it'll hold itself, so it doesn't fall apart. And then we're going to jack up this sway bar. So you'll see I'm getting some separation there. Just a little bit. You're gonna hold that up, and you should have room to pop this in. Yep, and drop it out, although don't put it upside down like that. Go like that. So you're lined up, and then you can let the pressure off this sway bar. See that? It'll compress it, and you can let your jack hang. So lastly, you're going to come underneath just like this with your bottom base plate, your last bushing, and your nut. What you'll notice is when you try and get underneath there, there's actually not going to be enough room on the stud, most likely. You can go ahead and try to get it on there, but it's probably not going to happen. So what I like to do is I like to take my floor jack and I like to position it right underneath this ball joint, or the steering knuckle, whatever you want to call it, and I like to have it cranked kind of ready for me, and I'm gonna go in from underneath there, and we'll tighten this down. So we'll come underneath here. And pop this new guy on here. Yeah, you're not going to have enough room, so you're going to have to do... You're going to have to take the pressure off of the link by using the floor jack. And, they have to crawl out. That should be enough. Take a look. So that is actually not enough. We'll have to go a little bit higher. That should be plenty. Slide your lower piece on there. And then you'll have just enough to thread it on. And I come up here with a wrench. Make sure we're good there. I take an impact. Just tighten it down. So that is how you replace a sway bar link in a 2500 GMC Chevy. Even 1500s will be about the same.